New to Canada? 5 ways to make your foreign experience count. Welcome to Canada. If you're new here, your international experience is valuable and can help you stand out professionally. Here are 5 ways to make it count. Translate your experience. Highlight the skills and achievements from your previous roles that apply to Canadian workplaces. Understand local expectations. Learn how Canadian employers expect resumes, interviews, and workplace communication. Get your credentials assessed. Consider professional credential recognition to show your qualifications meet Canadian standards. Network strategically. Connect with local professionals, join associations, and attend events in your field. Showcase your adaptability. Emphasize your international perspective and ability to work in diverse environments. Your experience abroad is an asset. Use it wisely, and it can open doors to exciting opportunities here in Canada.